What is your favorite Canva feature for YouTube?
Ooh, this is I feel like this is everyone's favorite feature.
I might need to have you give me a second one, but I'm going to wait and see.
Is it the background removal?
My favorite feature is the background remover.
My favorite feature by far is just the background removal, the simplicity of just being able to, it's just so easy. It just makes it so easy. And you can do it with like any photo. Except if you're trying to take the background out of a soccer net, that's impossible. I tried to do that the other day. It didn't work.
What about your favorite feature for making videos in Canva?
Show Jennifer how much of a bloody legend you reckon she is and smash that like button. Yeah, so my favorite feature for making YouTube videos is the ability to download things as a PNG without the background so that I can just I can create text or images or whatever it is, and I can just so easily layer that into my videos when I go on and edit them. And I just use iMovie, super simple for me. And yeah, that is another one of those things that just speeds up the process so much.
Yeah, I don't know if you know this, but that's actually why I signed up for Canva Pro to be able to download. And plus, if your video is so long, you can't upload it into Canva, or rather you can, but it just might take too long. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's fantastic. And I mean, you can kind of do that with the green screen situation, but I just find that there's just always a little touch of green around the outside of things, and that's maybe something that I'm sure they're working on improving. But like, I just am so happy to be able to do that. It so simplifies things so much, and the ability to download things as well in different sizes, because you don't need, like, if you're just doing some text across the bottom of your screen or something, you don't need that to be like a super high quality image. So you can reduce the file size, and that makes it even faster to download.
I love the download features, plus that new one now that where we can bulk download MP4s at one time, but separately.
Yeah.
If you want to learn how to do that, then watch this video.
Yeah.
Do you hear yourself? I think you say it more than you say bloody legend.
Yeah. Oh,